And that's kind of the old school example of AI. That is, there's a big, large data set, there's a tool that can go through that data set pretty well and pull things out, and that's great, but very, very limited in what it can do. What we're really talking about today is generative AI. And that is what ChatGPT introduced. It introduced it a couple years back, but really in the mainstream within the last year. And that's what has gotten people talking. This is not something that just showed up this year. This is something that's been in development and been in work for a while, but ChatGPT was really the first public one that kind of set everything on fire. It was free, it was easy to understand, and people kind of went nuts with it. And that's great. We'll talk about a better tool to use in a little bit, but what we really want to focus on is generative AI. And the difference between that and that kind of traditional AI is that this new type can reason. This might be a little bit of a strong term, but it can create something new. It's not just looking at a data set and pulling out insights and giving you information. It can actually generate something. It has an element of creativity to it and thought that's different than something we've seen before. So that's really the one to focus on. AGI is one that comes up a lot, general intelligence. This is more kind of the Terminator version of it, is the easiest way to think, is something that is fully capable of thought and motive and really deep thinking that's on par with human intelligence. If anybody tells you that we have that right now, they're lying.